Motivated Money by Peter Thornhill is a book that outlines a simple and effective approach to investing that can help readers build wealth over the long term. Thornhill's approach is based on investing in high-quality dividend-paying stocks. By focusing on these types of stocks, investors can generate a steady stream of income through dividends, which can be reinvested to compound their returns over time. Thornhill recommends taking a 10 to 20-year view when investing in stocks, as this allows investors to ride out any short-term bumps in the road. Another important aspect of Thornhill's approach is the importance of avoiding debt. Debt can be a major impediment to building wealth, particularly high-interest debt like credit card debt. By reducing your debt, you free up more money to invest, which can help you build wealth faster. Thornhill also recommends using a strategy called debt recycling, which involves using the equity in your home to invest in high-quality dividend-paying stocks. This strategy can help you build wealth faster, by converting your non-deductible mortgage into a tax-deductible investment loan. Of course, this strategy does carry some risks, so it's important to consult with a financial advisor before pursuing it. Successful investing requires discipline and patience. Thornhill advises investors to stick to their long-term investment plan and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term fluctuations in the market. By staying disciplined and patient, investors can achieve their financial goals over the long term. Peter Thornhill's approach to investing offers a simple and effective way for anyone to build long-term wealth. By focusing on high-quality dividend-paying stocks, avoiding debt, and staying disciplined, investors can achieve their financial goals over the long term. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Thornhill's book is worth considering if you are looking to build wealth for the future.
If you enjoyed this review and would like to purchase the book, support the channel by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.